There you go. It's from Lisa.
Lisa?
From Lisa. What is it? What is it?
It's food.
Food? What kind of food?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, hold it up. Let me see. I think it's a cookie. A ghost cookie. Hold it up. Yeah.
But you can't eat the eyes.
You can't eat the eyes? Why?
Because here's another one.
There's more? Is that a ghost cookie too?
Mm-hmm. But this one different.
Another one?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Different.
What does it look like? I can't see.
Chocolate chip one.
Oh, you don't like chocolate chip, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh my.
Another chocolate chip. And
You're throwing them on the floor. Oh my.
another chocolate chip.
Wow.
Another chocolate chip. No cookies.
Well, that was really nice, huh? What do you say?
Thank you.
Look at the camera. What do you say?
Thank you.
Do you like that?
Yeah, cool.
So you can't eat the ghost eyes, you said? Why?
Because you can't.
You don't like eat the eyeballs?
Because you can't.
You can't eat eyeballs? Well, can you eat the rest of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks good to me.
Yep.
What do you say? Look at the camera.
Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Jacob,
Bye.
look at Mama.
Bye.
Wait.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Lisa.